Rip her open.
You have to analyze this one a little bit, don't you?
I caught it.
Yep. Big rips.
This is paper.
Yep. Let's turn it over and you keep ripping it, okay?
Okay. I keep ripping it. I go over this.
Whoa.
Whoa. Wow.
Rip it all off.
Okay. This away. Here. Now one more that's on here.
Pull.
Wow. It's almost ripped off. Now we're almost out of plastic.
Rip all the paper first.
Okay. I'm just feeling how I can rip it. Wow. Almost opened up. Okay, let's do this side. Let's do this side with me. Let's work on this thing. Guys, work here.
You do it.
Yeah, present, Helen.
Okay, let's do it.
Good.
Okay, one more.
Oh, careful. Don't stand on it, please.
I did it.
Okay, I'll hold it up. You pull the rest off this side.
Okay.
What is it?
Push it down a
Yep,
little.
yep. Take it all off.
I will.
Over here.
Okay.
Over here.
Oh, get it off.
You pull it off. It's yours. All right.
Now you get it. It's a
Whoa! Do you know what this is?
yeah. A
This
table.
is an art table. It's called an easel. Oh!
I can paint.
Should we take the plastic off?
Yes.
Okay. You can start right here. How about?
Okay. Let's do it.
Yep.
Let's do that.
All the way.
Pull it and break it. Let's pull it and break it. Let's work on it. Ah.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's try and slide it all off, okay? Go around to the other side, please.
Okay. That side?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I'll try and grab a place to pull here.
Would you like to use scissors or are you going to play that?
Let's do it. Let's almost do it. That's
I
funny.
think we need to rip this off. I don't need scissors. It's just plastic.
That's funny way you
Let's
think.
rip it. Help me rip it.
Okay.
Urgh. Grab this side.
Okay, I'll help you.
Urgh.
Mommy, hold on to it.
No.
You rip with Daddy, okay? Rip with Daddy.
Urgh. Urgh.
You need help?
Of course. It's your present. There you go.
My present.
Rip.
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 Rip it. Rip it. Rip. Now let's almost try to get it. Rip it. Rip it up.
There we go.
I did it. Hooray.
Hooray. You want to stand it up and see how we use it?
Yeah.
Like this?
And we can say, thank you, Papa and Liz.
This is a chalkboard.
There we go.
One side is a chalkboard.
Yep, I think you're right.
And
I need a chair.
I think the roll of paper might go right in here.
I think so.